Okay, everyone. I'm just gonna need to find a place to set you guys. Cause is it recording? Yes, it is, and I better back away. Um, I'm gonna do this. No, hope for the best. Well, it's gonna get angled upwards. See if I can get that. And still records. It's still recording. I think it might be. Yes. Yes, it is. Okay, good. Now I'm just gonna sit down like that and hope for the best. I never get an angle on this. I'm just gonna do it like this. Whatever. You. Okay. And I am. Let me just do something real quick. Okay. So right before this, I'm talking to one of my friends, Derek Johnson. Get you mentioned early in the video. I just texted him a little while ago. Just I said the usual thing because like they would say, "Oh, what big sexy." So I'm thinking, okay, well, I'm just gonna say, "How's it going, sexy?" Because I'm big sexy, and it's sexy. That's why I see it. So that's how I'm gonna go with it. So I need a better place to put this. Like, would this work? Not have to pause and everything. Would this be something good I can do? Just like, well, it's gonna be like at an angle now. So, yeah. Or if I do like this, would it work? Is that better? I don't know. And if the audio is bad, I believe my microphone's right here where the camera is on this phone. I believe so, but if it's not, let me know. So I might have been covering because Derek and John mentioned that I was that in the Rage video, like there are times when you could hear me, and there are times when you couldn't. So I'm trying to work on that. Trying to have better audio for you guys. I am working on math right now, so I'm kind of fix my heart. Kind of beautiful. No, I'm kidding. Don't want to. I hate looking at that because I feel weird looking at that because I'm not. So if this is it for those who blog, and the ones over 30 who blog, okay, under and over, one will be the same. Okay, so I will make a graph. I'll graph it. And I kind of like BS my way through the previous one because I didn't understand, like, wasn't that I didn't understand it. It was the fact of the matter that I had been working on it for so long. I just said screw it. So it was like, yeah, fuck it. So graph it. Change the window. I need to have it at least at, let's say, 27. That's good enough. Okay. Calculation. Second calc. Neat tertiary. First curve is there. Second curves. And I get the intersection of 2.6. So this is crossing line this way on to infinity, and this is going. This is 24, and this is 7. 24. And going down from there. Relatively right here. There. There we go. Yay. Okay, so. And this point is 2.615x, and the y is 12.2. 2, 3 continues for the year in which, well, if this is in 2000 and the function is from x is number, okay, it's after, so it'll be 2 years after, roughly 2 years after. So x is roughly equal to 2009. Makes sense, in my opinion. But I'm not a math whiz. I could ask Derek and John, but we think I'm kind of hesitant to ask people sometimes for like help on stuff because to me it feels like I'm intruding. So that's why I don't ask for help because I feel like I'm intruding when other people have probably better questions. Percent of adults over 30 who blog for the current year. Now, okay, here's my question to everyone. Since this thing says, okay, in the United States, the percent of adult blogging has changed within the various age ranges from 2007 to 2009. The function y equals negative 4.5x plus 24 can be used to estimate the percent of adults over 30 who blogged, and the function y equals 2x plus 7 can be used to estimate the percent of adults over 30 who blog. Use both functions. For both functions, x is the number of years after 2007. Source: PEW, Internet and American Life Project. So, my question is, now, would you consider blogging like video stuff, like what I do, like what me, Shane Dawson, and a bunch of other YouTubers? Yeah, and I don't consider it like my version. There's the e-vlogs and the vlogs. The vlogs are what you see from me. The e-vlogs are edited vlogs. Like what you see when you see someone and they're like, oh, yay, and we're here. And then you see that jump cut. Now, see, what I can do with this is I can pause it and bring it somewhere else and keep recording. But what like Dawson does is he will record a part. He gets that, goes home. Well, they record throughout their entire day, and then he puts it all on his computer, puts it into a little like movie maker thing that he has, and goes off on it. And that's my opinion of what he does. So when y equals... No, wait, would it be... No, our x... Our y is... Yeah, x is the years after 2007. So it's 2009 by that time. So for this... Okay, the percent. So yeah, y is the percentage. Okay. So when I take... Negative 4.5 times 14 plus 24, I get y equal to, stupid thing turns off, like that, negative 4.5 times 12 plus 14, negative 6 plus 24. You can't have a negative percentage though. So it would be like you can't find it. Because they're going to be down negative 36%. Whatever. Next, y equals 2x plus 7. I have to actually put 2. No, wait, it's years after 2007. So for the current year, x wouldn't be 14. It'd be 7. So clear negative 4.5 times 7. That, and then plus 24. negative 7.5%. And then this is 7. Because X is the years after 2007. It's 2014. So I'm pretty sure that might be like 7 years after. So. Also, my friends let me know that when they do Rage, like they had like on the like volume 2 on there, like one of the lowest possible things. When I was like raging hard, they could still hear me. So sorry. Rest in peace, headphone users. Like, cause that's what I find funny. Like the people who like turn up vlogs to like 100, and then like the rage that ensues, just like. And then y is equal to 21% of adults Fratia. Okay, so once adults. I'm just going to draw an arrow downward and then 30, and then mirror upward 30. On to 17. And why I hate math. I don't know why I took it. I think it was just like a filler that like I should have done. So that's my point of view. Let's see what time it is. Ooh, we're 11 minutes into the video. Holy shit. And it's 7. My Xbox still doesn't want to work. So, you know. That's it. Let me prop this up better so you guys can see. There we go. Good enough? I have to like bob my head. Something? Okay, an office supply store in San Diego sells 7 writing tablets and 4 pens. So 7 writing tablets and 4 pens. So 3 of those tablets don't have pens. 440. Also 2 tablets, 19 pens for $540. Find the price of each. Twat. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna let you guys know this. Like, when you see me like do like with these big long pages, like looking and I'm not saying anything. Sometimes it's because I'm looking back at the book at the answers to see what they get and how they got there. So in my mind, I can go through that. That's how my mind operates when problems I can't figure the fuck out. So, price of each. How the fuck do I do this? Is it like where's the possible thing here? So I just compare them, so make them equal to each other, and since they're both, no, I can't do that because same prices. So it's like, check the back of the book. Here we go. Not cheating. It's using your resources. So I justify it. As long as you don't take their example, fuck. As long as you don't take their answers and like use it and like don't show your work or how you got there, in my opinion, it's perfectly fine. But some people might see it differently. Okay. So did they add them up and then divide? I'm thinking that's what it is. I'm thinking they're taking them and then adding up the total tablets, which is 9. Let's see. I want to see if I'm right. I'm just going to check this. So, when there's 6.40. No, wait. I should clear that. Okay, so it would be a total of what? 9? Because it's. Or are we like. Do I like. I'm just going to do how I'm doing it. Okay, so 9 divided by 6.40. I get 1.4. Nope, that doesn't work. Do I take each separate thing, divide by its own price, and then add up that amount? I'm just trying to see what possibly works, and then I'm going to write it on paper. Okay, so for 7 tablets, take that divided by 6.40, I get 1.93. And should I actually subtract that price? I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. To be perfectly honest, I don't know. This is going to be like a question one I'm going to ask him tomorrow. So, I have another one I did a question on because I need to know how they found that out. No, on to next. 25. Great. There's gonna be some I'm just gonna have a fucking shit ton of questions on. So let's see, that's relatively good amount of space for what we could possibly need. 25. 25 states words. Hertz rental car charges 25 daily plus 10 cents per mile. And then budget charges $20 daily plus 25 cents per mile. Find the mileage for which. So we're going to have $10x plus 25. And then actually I'm going to times it by 2 to find the mileage in which it's twice that much. If I can find it when they are the same, I take that amount and times it by 2. That should work, right? And then if I take the x times it by 2, I should get when what he charges is twice as much. I should just take that x times it by 2, add it in there, see if it's just twice as much. I think. Don't quote me on that. I'm not a math whiz. As much as freaking Brett thinks I am, I'm not. So 25x plus 20. Well, we want our x's to be positive. So if I minus 20 minus 10x minus 10x, I get 15x equal to 5. Divide by 15, divide by 15, x equals that'd be 1/3. 1/3 mi. Now 1/3 times 2 is 2/3, which is 0.66666 repeating, or 0.66666. A bunch of 6's and then a 7 if you round it to the nearest trillionth possible. 0.666. Math fraction 2/3. Yeah, just a bunch of 6's, just always. Because words. So, well, that's it, everyone. You saw me do math terribly. So, oh yeah, FYI, this video won't be uploaded till tomorrow because my internet doesn't work. So, bye.